Hello guys, in this video we're going to teach you how to open up and set up a Robinhood account. So you can open an individual account by submitting an application in the Robinhood app, and you can also get it in the coming days and you'll receive an email confirming our application being approved. So if they're going to request documentation to verify your identity, you'll have to include it in your actual documents, and keep in mind it's going to take up to 5 to 7 days for it to be approved. So that's pretty long. So here you just have to go to robinhood.com or just download the actual application. Confirm your region, say you're in the United States or United Kingdom. You can choose from either one. So you'll have to place your name, lol, and then lol. So let's just place random names for now. Test email at Gmail for our email, of course. And then right here you will have to place a number of passwords. So I'm just going to place 1 to 9 and random letters. So you have to continue from there, and then basically you will just have to let's try a different Gmail right there. So you will have to actually get your name correct in your government ID too, and then your phone number, residential address, apartment, and building. From here, the next one is actually just gonna be approval from Robinhood themselves, and the city and the state is gonna be written right here. So you have to place your phone number. So like this, your residential address. Let's just say New York, and there. So that random place, street, and Washington district, and continue. So I have no idea what's the zip code there. So let's just place random numbers. So from there, as you can see, you will have to verify your phone number. It will be either sent by text or by call. From there, they will ask you to actually verify your documents. They're gonna ask you for your actual tax ID number or your SSN, if I'm not mistaken. And then from there, there's gonna be an approval date for 3 to 5 days until you'll receive an email, until they will get more documents from you, and you'll have to wait another 5 to 7 days just for your account to be open. So it's just that simple to set up and open up a Robinhood account, of course. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.